8:57. It is Saturday. It's the start of my long 4-day weekend. Thanks, 4th of July. I am going to get some breakfast because your girl is starving. I'm going to Chick-fil-A. I haven't had Chick-fil-A breakfast in so long. I think I want some chicken minis with hash browns. I have nothing on my agenda plan. I just packed a bag and I was like, let's go do this. I really need to go get my car cleaned, like the inside and the out. I babysit later today, sadly. I was trying to cancel, but I didn't, and I was like, whatever. Yeah, let's go get breakfast. So we just had brunch at Bello in Tampa. I was with the cousins, and now we're back at the house. We're about to head into the pool. So I'm gonna take off my makeup, borrow a swimsuit because I didn't have a swimsuit. I was gonna pack one and end up not bringing one, but I'm just gonna wear this top that's borrowed and my tennis skirt to the water because everything was borrowed and I'm not the same size as everyone else. But yeah, we're gonna do that. It is so hot. We were all sweating. I have boot imprints from my boots. I wore the corset top, the jean shorts, and the cowgirl boots, and my legs are sweating so bad. The food was okay. It was pretty good. Had a big old martini. I'll probably put some pictures in. But yeah, it was nice. We're gonna spend the night here tonight and then head back sometime tomorrow. Not sure when. I didn't really get to vlog as much as I wanted to. I probably should have done more, but you know when you're just so in the moment, I was. My hair is a mess now, looking all fuzzy, and yeah, I'm honestly just really tired, to be honest, but whatever. Spending time with fam, gotta enjoy it. I'm about to take off my makeup very soon because I want to swim and go crazy. Good morning, guys. So today is the 4th of July. I am at home now. I was in Tampa this past weekend. I was there Friday night, Saturday, Sunday. Hung out with my cousins. They live there. We vlogged there. It's so bad. But I feel like I didn't really vlog there because I was just living in the moment pretty much, and we had a lot of downtime, so we would go out and then we have downtime and then like downtime for the rest of the night. But we did end up going to the pool. We went to brunch. We went to like a speakeasy on Friday night, and then we left early Monday afternoon we left. It was fun. Had so much fun. Finally got to spend time with our cousins because we always see them at like a funeral or something, and then we never like hang out. And growing up, I never really got to spend time with them. So like I knew who they were, like I knew they were my cousins and stuff, but you know, never like had cousin time with them when we were younger. So, and then they're like 20 years older than me. But yeah, it was still nice to, you know, be with them for the weekend. And now we're home. Might be going to my mom's house because they're gonna just grill some food and stuff and you know, just chill. But right now I'm gonna get food because I am starving. Probably gonna go to Starbucks. And then I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna do though. I took out my braids this morning. Feels so light. My neck does not hurt, and I took it out because it was starting to look ratchet. Like, it was starting to look really bad. And then on top of that, my hair was starting to come out and it was starting to get frizzy. So yeah, I took that out. Forgot my sunglasses and I'm kind of highly upset, but I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna go to Target. And then I'm going to Starbucks. I'm gonna get a croissant. I'm so mad though because, well, I got something different. I ended up getting this bathing suit. It's a one-piecer. It's cute. Yeah, I ended up getting this, and then I got that jean skirt, but everything else I left. Wasn't really feeling it. Like, I don't know, I was just looking too babyish. They were very low. If it wasn't low, it would have been better. The apartment has the worst lighting, and they're cutting the grass. But I'm eating my Chick-fil-A. I got Chick-fil-A breakfast. So yum. Just waiting till my sisters to get here and then start getting ready. Yeah.
With what? Hi, neighbor.
Look at his legs crossed. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. You actually inside? Is it because it's so hot? Do you smell Milo? Because it's hot. His pads probably be burning. Don't bite me. You wild thing. That's close as hell. I got some fire in my face. Did it breathe? You know, concerned and shit. But Annie seems like she does not give a fuck right now. So. Watch me scream.